Hey everyone, it is 12:30 on Tuesday, and you know what that means. It's time for Temp-tations Tuesday, where we pick an item on QVC.com, we highlight it, and we bring it to life. If you are like bored with recipes, you're looking for something fun, you kind of have food fatigue, this cookbook with over 75 mouth-watering recipes is incredible. And what's great about it is it's for, of course, one of our Scoville pieces, which is 4 quart. So every recipe in here is going to be fantastic. Then we also paired it with 4 of my great spices, from our pepped up pork and poultry to our seize the day. This is going to be perfect, of course, on all of your burgers, your shrimp, your mussels, your clam bakes. Then, of course, we have beef it up. Beef it up is great. Think Taco Tuesday. Think anytime you want to give a little kick to some of those beef recipes that you're making. And then this is my fave. This is up for anything. I literally put this on literally everything, from eggs to popcorn if you wanted a little special seasoning. And then I mentioned the pepped up pork and poultry, and that's gonna be perfect, of course, even if you wanted to drizzle a little into olive oil and dip your bread into it. Absolutely delicious. So pair it with 75 mouth-watering recipes, of course, our pepped up poultry and our pepped up pork, our beef it up, all of the different spices coming together to create all these brand new recipes that you can share with your family. That's why we've made it a Temp-tations Tuesday item. That's why we're highlighting it here on QVC.com. So head on over and check it out.